Hi, boys and girls. Okay, so turn this a little bit. Oh, no, wrong way. Okay, so we're talking about putting things together and taking things apart. Okay, now yesterday we did the butterflies. We've done the frogs before in the little pond. Well, we're going to be doing those again. You can use the same frogs if you have them that you've cut out, or you can make your own little frogs, kind of like how I made butterflies yesterday. Okay, you can make a green circle and just kind of make your frog. Okay, it doesn't even have to be green. You take a piece of paper, and the way I make a frog, I make kind of like, I guess it's a half a circle, and then I give some little bumps. Maybe there we go. The bumps are on the bottom. And then swoop down. And it's more little bumps like that. So those are the two frog legs. Okay. And then, okay, you can draw a little frog. You can just draw a little circle and make it green and give it some little legs. Kind of looks like a spider, but it really doesn't matter. Okay. You just make it work for you, Fred. Okay. So the main thing is that you have something. Maybe you have some little toys that you're going to pretend are frogs. That's okay too. Okay. So we're talking about some certain words all together. Now, if you look here, I drew some triangles. I have 3 here and 1 over here. When we put them all together, how many do I have all together? I have my phone turned on so that I can play you the song. That was apparent, but it's not. Okay. So 3 and 1, how many all together? 3 and 1, 3, go up 1, 4. All together, that means the total. Okay, so another vocabulary that we're learning for math is one less. Now look, this row has 1 happy face. This row has 2 happy faces. Which row has 1 less? That means not as much. It'd be this one. These have a partner. This one doesn't. So this is less. It's smaller. It's a smaller amount. More and most. Look, there's 3 little flowers here. It may be hard to see, but there's 3 flowers. And there's 1 flower over here. Maybe if I color them in. I don't know. Let's see. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's my 3 flowers. Okay, so I have 3 flowers here and 1 flower there. Which group has the most? Which one has more? This one. More or the most is bigger. Okay, few, fewest, least. That means smallest amount. Which one is the group that has the least, the fewest, that has fewer? It would be over here, the group that has 1. Okay, so that's what we're talking about. We're talking about putting amounts together and taking away. And the fancy words are addition and subtraction. Okay, so we have a really fun song. I'm going to put the song on so we can listen to it. Here we go. And I have a little board I'm going to be sharing with you. Okay. I have the little speckled frogs and I have the little log. So let me get this ready. I got to put my frogs up on the log. Okay. They got to sit up here on this log. They kind of got to share the log. I got to squish them up here. Okay. So this one's going to be kind of sitting on the side of the log. Okay. They're all going to be sitting up here on the log, squishing him on top. Okay. He's sitting on top of his brother. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little speckled frogs. Speckled means they have polka dots. They have dots on it. See the polka dots? Yeah. 5 little speckled frogs sitting on a speckled log. Okay, here we go. Now, I have the song in the pages, the Google slides, so you can click on it, you can sing it, and you can do it with your little frogs. Okay, I think we did the frogs last week. It was a page that we cut out from our packet. So you can do it, or you can use anything to pretend like they're little frogs, and you can act it out because we're talking about, okay, so how many now? How many now? How many now? Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some nice delicious bugs. Yum, yum. Jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Are 4 delicious frogs. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. Jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there's the frogs. Glub, glub. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 delicious speckled frogs, not delicious frogs. 2. Little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there's glub, glub. 1. That's it. 1. Little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. Into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 frogs. Club. Okay. Square. Okay. No. There we go. Okay. Okay. I couldn't figure out a way to do it while showing it on my screen and projecting, so I had to do it that way, friends. But what matters is we're talking about starting with 5, and then we took away. Okay. So when we would take away, we had a smaller amount. So we had 5, take away 1. How many were left? 5. Remember, there were 5 speckled frogs. 1 jumped into the pool. Now, how many were left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 take away 1 is 4. Then there were 4 speckled frogs. 1 jumped into the pool. 4 take away 1 leaves how many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. 4 take away 1 is 3. 3 little speckled frogs sat on the speckled log. 1 jumped into the pool. So 3, take away 1. Now how many? 2. 2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log. Then 1 little speckled frog jumped into the pool. There were 2. 1 jumped into the pool. Now how many are there? 1. 1 little speckled frog. Then he jumped into the pool. There was 1, and then 1 jumped in. 1, take away 1, leaves you 0. Yeah. So then you could do it backwards. 1 little speckled frog, and then another little speckled frog came and joined him. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 little speckled frogs. And then another one decided to come and play with them. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 little speckled frogs. And then a friend decided he wanted to come sit on that log too. 3 plus 1 is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 little speckled frogs. And then one more decided to come and join them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 frogs. And one more makes how many? 5. Now there's 5 speckled frogs. Okay, so you can have fun telling a story. You can have your frogs, give them names. You can say, okay, they have to go over here. They have to go do something. They have to go to the school. They have to go to the store. And you can say, okay, there was a little frog named Jenica, a little frog named Sophia. They're sitting on the log. And then little frog named Vivian said, can I come play too? And so Jenica and Vivian said, sure. Or Jenica and Sophia said, come on, Vivian, come join us. And so 2 frogs plus 1 is how many? 3. 3 frogs. Yeah. So this is getting us used to understanding, putting it together. So do we have more when we have all together, or do we have more this way? We have more this way. It's a bigger number when we put them all together. Okay. So talking about using these words, what's more, what's most, one less, one more, fewer, least, all together. Those are the words we're talking about today, families, when we're acting this out and doing it with your little frogs. Okay. So show me how you can do your little frog story and act out the 5 little speckled frogs with your little frogs. Remember, you can use anything to be a frog. Okay. And don't forget to get on Math Shelf. We got to get on Math Shelf, guys. Have a great day, and I will see you later.